What I wish I knew before Mnangagwa's helicopter crash shocked the nation today. A scene of shock and disbelief unfolded at Masvingo Airport. The helicopter, part of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's fleet, crashed during takeoff. This incident follows Mnangagwa's 82nd birthday celebrations and Munhumutapa Day events. Intended for a journey back to Harare, the chopper experienced a sudden technical malfunction. One crew member sustained injuries, but there were no fatalities. Neither Vice President Constantino Chiwenga nor Vice President Kembo Mohadi were on board. This crash has ignited controversy. Just moments before, Mnangagwa had declared himself the king of the SADC at the Great Zimbabwe Monuments, sparking debates over cultural disrespect. Some believe this crash is a bad omen, suggesting that ancestral spirits may be angered. This isn't the first time a presidential helicopter has faced technical issues. A similar incident occurred in August 2021. As investigations continue, questions loom over the specific causes. Mnangagwa's media team has yet to release an official statement. Stay tuned for more updates.